Quiz number 1. What number to write to make it 10? Please pause the video and answer. Okay, let's start. 2 plus 8 is equals to 10. 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. 2 plus 8 is equals to 10. 3 plus 7 is equals to 10. 10 plus 0 is equals to 10. 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 6 is equals to 10. 7 plus 1 is 8. Plus 2 is equals to 10. 4 plus 0 is 4. Plus 6 is equals to 10. Okay, let's move on to the next question. What number to write to make it 25? Please pause the video and try to answer. Okay, let's start. 5 plus 20 is equals to 25. 8 plus 17 is equals to 25. 9 plus 16 is equals to 25. 14 plus 11 is equals to 25. 9 plus 16 is equals to 25. 6 plus 19 is equals to 25. 7 plus 8 is 15. Plus 10 is equals to 25. 4 plus 13 is 17. Plus 8 is equals to 25. 11 plus 12 is 23. Plus 2 is equals to 25. I hope you learned. See you next time. God bless.